Alright, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I think this is going to be the last time that I make a Yotta video. I think I'm done, but I barely understand how to use Yotta at this point. I haven't been doing anything with it. The play and the lottery is gone, Yotta Ball. So people who know how to use this, look at my account with me. Help me to understand. It says I have a spendable balance of $37.35. I get it. I go with my card, I want to use it, I could buy $37.35 worth of stuff. That part makes sense, but if we go into account, it says I have $93.06 of Yotta Savings. I've got 1092 of Yotta Cash, and I've got 8,376 tokens. I don't understand what all this means, because even though it says I have $93.06 of savings, I can't touch all of that. Is some of that money pending on the Yotta credit card that hasn't been paid off yet? And then I have all these tokens. I get excited that I have all these tokens, but apparently the tokens are just for fun. They're not worth anything. Then I'm trying to figure out what Yotta Cash is. It used to be when you spent $20 on your Yotta card and you had a chance to win real money that would go into your account 30 days later. But now trying to understand how that works, you still get a box if you use your card, but if you win $1 of Yotta Cash, it's not going to go to your account in 30 days as money. You actually have to gamble with it and play the lottery. Then if you happen to win in the lottery, then that money goes into your account. Am I getting it? Is this how Yotta works now? It's amazing what's happened in 2 or 3 years. I just did make some transactions with my Yotta card, opened up my Yotta boxes, won like pennies or whatever of Yotta Cash, but it's not even money, because the only way to realize that those winnings, I have to actually gamble them with the Yotta Ball lottery. Is that right? Am I right? So I have 6 boxes here. There wouldn't have been a day going by I wouldn't have opened these boxes because I was so excited to see if I won anything. But now I just leave them sit because I just don't care, and to be honest, I'm confused. So should I be buying Yotta Ball tickets now? And let's say I spend $5 of Yotta Cash, which I won from my transactions. If I spend $5 in Yotta Cash and then in the lottery I win $1 of Yotta Ball, so I don't get the $5, I just get $1. Is that right? This is mind-blowing how bad this is. It really is. Did I miss anything? Do I understand Yotta Savings in its current form? Did I misunderstand something? Leave a comment, a correction. How do you feel about Yotta?